it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Club SciKidz box for December. I feel like I just did one of these. I'm so behind because of the holidays. I have something itchy right there. It feels like I'm doing one of these right away again. These are STEM-based monthly subscription box for kids. They introduce you to a different field in STEM. And then they expound on that with different activities and experiments. It's just a really great subscription. It is like my favorite kids subscription box. It's $29.99 a box. This, I did see what this theme is. It is the science of toys, which sounds so exciting. So if you're interested in seeing us do the experiments, we always do that on the blog. I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Club SciKidz so you can check them out. Oh my gosh, did I? No, I opened this. What on? Oh, there it is. Woo! Alright, so here's the inside of the box. Alright, and I'm just going to go through the items and then we'll look at the experiments. So here we have what looks to be some sand. Oh, maybe we're making bath bombs or rubber balls. Actually, we made these, me and the girls, one time a long time ago. We made rubber balls. It was a lot of fun, and it was really... When you see a ball, you don't think of it as like, it has to be created from something. And when you see it's something so smooth and something so round created from little granules, is very interesting. I think that's what that'll be. They always come with a toy and they always come with some candy. So we have some melting snowman parts and putty. So we make everything you need to make a snowman. And then you melt him, I guess. That sounds like fun. I don't know exactly what we're going to be doing, but looks like fun. All right, then we've got, what's going on here? What do we got? Well, here's our candy. Laser Pop projector candy. Ooh, it's a poop emoji. That's what the like container looks like. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. You can't, but it's cool. It's funny. All right, so we've got some blue sand right there. Don't know what that's for yet. We've also got some, I love, because this was a December box, the insides was red and green. Oh, it's so pretty. We have 2 plastic cups, a laboratory thermometer, because you can hang it from your cylinders and stuff. And then we have, I'll make sure I'm getting everything out here so I'm not missing anything. All right, so then we have this, like, oh, this is like bubbles. So some bubbles. We have this, I think it's a battery here, and like a cell battery, some sort of a battery in there, and then 2 pieces of yellow paper. We're going to find out what we're doing with all this stuff now. All right, let's see here. So you open it up, you have a glossary, you have, yeah, I was right. Super bouncing balls. And then it'll give you all your experiments, right? And then at the end, it'll have micro experiments where you can go deeper into the item, the experiments that you've already done. And then at the end, it gives you like scientists in this field, or I mean, it would be creators or inventors in this field. And then it'll give you books that teach you more if you're interested in learning more. I think that's really cool too, because if a kid is really, I mean, it's all about engaging a child, right? And if they're getting engaged by a certain subject, maybe it is toys. If you're getting them interested in learning and it makes them read a book, that's really cool. That's how you do it, right? So then there's the super bouncing ball, Frosty the Melting Snowman, magic sand. That's what that blue sand is for. LED throwy. That's the thing with the battery. I don't know exactly how that's going to work, but they do have some really cool engineering projects. My husband always does those with the kids. I stay out of there. I just take the pictures. He does all the the little work because he's really into that. So then here's all our micro experiments. And then there's secret formulas. Oh, there's some riddles here. Secret formulas. So you can create a snow globe. They tell you this is something you do at home outside of the box. They do give you everything that you need to know to do it. Penny changing. And then there's some information about Star Wars. Scientists that inspire or know Rubik, like Rubik's Cube. And there's a periodic table. And experimental design. So that is everything that came in the December Club SciKidz box. If you're interested in seeing the experiments, please do check out the full blog review below, and also check out Club SciKidz. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!